What's up? So to show you guys top SRE trees for iOS 11 up to iOS 15. It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. I am grinding out here for you guys. I'm really tired, so I do apologize for that. With my busy schedule, it's just honestly the best for me to make videos at night or early in the morning, whatever you guys want to call it, just because I get that peace and quiet and I'm not disturbed by anybody, and so I can grind these out for you guys. But I am really tired, so keep that in mind. I do make these videos for you guys. I mean, it's definitely not for myself. So yeah, I hope you guys at least enjoy the videos and slap a like on them. So the first week is called YouTube Ads. It's a lightweight YouTube improvement. Alright, this week's called Rocket for Instagram. Also do want to mention that I try not to pretty much repeat the same exact tweets in every single of my videos. I mean, it gets kind of annoying. Every now and then a duplicate tweet does come up, but usually I try to keep it with pretty new tweets. So I do have a bunch of videos on my channel covering the new jailbreak tweets that have been updated for the new iOS 15 and iOS 16 jailbreak. So keep that in mind. So I also want to mention just, I might throw some quick updates out at you guys, just because not all of you watch all my videos. I mean, some of you watch just certain videos, or this might be the first video of watching my channel, which is totally cool. So that's why I like to throw some duplicates, because not everybody sees the same videos. I also want to mention quickly I did do like I said, another top tweets video, and it's more fully in depth on some tweets, but like I said, I don't want to keep repeating the tweets. I just want you guys to know that Carbridge was updated to support iOS 15 and rootless, so keep that in mind. It was updated to support, I think, iOS 15 and iOS 16 jailbreak. So on Carbridge, you guys, is a tweet where you pretty much can, if you're CarPlay, it allows you to pretty much mirror your device or use any app or game on your CarPlay. Pretty cool. So this week, Rocket for Instagram, it's save posts and view stories anonymously on Instagram. So you have a bunch of cool features you guys can do. They used to have them here. I don't know why I took down the whole exactly what this week did, which is kind of misleading. But I don't know why. Yeah, because it does a bunch of cool features for Instagram. Save posts, and you can do a bunch of other stuff like view stories anonymously and do a bunch of other cool stuff for Instagram. Sonar Fits 15. It's also a MobileStudio tweak. So Fits is Sonar for iOS 15. Here's Sonar, guys. Sets the home screen icon layouts. There's 45 different icon layouts, guys. So when you pretty much swipe over to that screen on your home screen, it gives you a cool animation. It's called libhooker, general purpose injection and hooking library for 64-bit devices. So you guys be asking about CoolStar, guys. I have no clue, guys. You're supposed to be the first one to update the iOS 15 jailbreak, but yeah, he never came through, unfortunately. But luckily, we did have somebody else who did update and have a jailbreak for us for iOS 15 and 16, which is awesome. Next week, Amber, guys. You can change the Amber mode. So it's control center or flip switch toggle to allow setting of Amber LED or both white and Amber LEDs. So this is pretty cool. Pretty much when you guys do use your flashlight, you guys can change the color of your flashlight on your phone. Icon fits. It fits missing icons at Xina A15. Airbrush by STEMgrade, one of my good friends. I wouldn't say good friend, but one of my buddies. And this is Airbrush Unlock, which is iOS and iPadOS 11 to 14. So you can see Airbrush, you do get premium for it. Alright, so you have a tweak called Auto Scroll. And pretty much just allows you to, oh my god, I'm stuck. Literally stuck. Allows you to automatically scroll down, without you having to scroll down. So if you're reading a website or a web page, you can easily scroll down, automatically without you having to do it yourself. Okay, we're stuck. I can't get out of here. Oh man, I'm stuck. Dang, I can't get out of here.